Yesterday, Ian talked about how Joseph was a descendant of Abraham and Jacob. Now I'm here to talk to you about St. Joseph in the New Testament. But here's the thing. We don't know that much about St. Joseph since the last time we hear about him is when Jesus was found in the temple. Other than that, we don't know that much. But I can think about three things. One, he was a carpenter. In the book of Matthew, Jesus was referred to as the son of a carpenter. Therefore, Joseph was a carpenter. Two, he was a good foster father. Never in the Gospels do you hear Jesus talk badly about Joseph. And three, Joseph died before Jesus died on the cross. Now how can we figure that out? Well, when Jesus began his ministry at the age of 30, we don't hear from St. Joseph at all. So he probably died when Jesus was between the ages of 12 and 30. And also, Joseph would have been in charge of taking care of Jesus after he died on the cross. And he would also be in charge of taking Mary, since that's the duty of a husband. Now, St. Joseph is a patron of a lot of things. But the one that always gets to me is that he's the patron of a happy death. It's just weird, because a happy death, think about it, a death, happy death. I know I'm afraid of dying, it's just something hard to think about. But if you think about it in terms of St. Joseph, you can see why. I'll tell you more about that tomorrow.